Take 5. Fucking LG. You guys need to fix your platform. It sucks. Now, past my tirade, old Guardsmanom here, a little bit pissed off about particulars. And it just so happens that yours truly has been charged with 3 felonies. Will appear before court. Will attempt to have the case thrown out, as it is unlawful and unconstitutional in its very nature. That it is dictatorial of what a man may do with his own property. That property being livestock. As according to the Supreme Court case, John Chisholm versus the state of Illinois, that any livestock is a man's property and therefore he has a right to be secure in that. The state of California is trying to levy actions against me because they feel that they can dictate what I may do with my own property. I'm really insulted by this, let alone the fact that it is unconstitutional and that in any righteous court in the nation it would be thrown out on its head without fail. Especially since the evidence stands. 1, I could make no appointment to have another person euthanize these animals. 2, it is not the place of another person to euthanize my animals, as they are my property. It is my place. And that creates of me an official capacity, which means that the charges filed are unlawful. Thirdly, that in the instance that there was no way of making an appropriate appointment due to COVID-19 restrictions, and that federal mandate states that an animal must be shot dead, killed by Jepson device, or euthanized via lethal injection within 24 hours of that animal attacking a human being, and that that animal must be autopsied within 1 hour, and that those results must be available to the public within 48 hours. The state of California has broken 5 separate laws. The right of the people to be secure in their paper, person, property, and effects. The right of any man to do what he so wish with his property, that including livestock. That no state may act under the color of law to remove a man of his constitutional right that the evidence shows I was laying ill and that no healthcare action was undertaken due to bias. And, most finally, that the state of California has, in its effort, caused the illegal misrepresentation of an American citizen within the confines of the court of law. Three constitutional, 2 federal. That is what the state of California faces. Because, unfortunately, though I may not charge the state of California because I have no money, in a courtroom, mind you, I charge the state of California here upon the public square as being unconstitutional, and therefore an enemy of the United States of America, and as such are all enemy combatants of any American citizen, and should be treated as such. Hoorah! Now I'm asking you to stand with me. Let's fight back. Let's give them everything and nothing. Because they choose to try and take away from you using me. I do not consent. I do not approve. And I would rather die than allow it. As God is my witness. And yeah, I said it, motherfuckers. What now?